Hi everyone, thank you for coming along to today's short session/video. I'm Hoàng Anh, a teacher at the IELTS workshop, and I'm going to be sharing with you my answers to these questions which recently came up in part 3 of the IELTS speaking exam. Let's get started!
Do you think job satisfaction is more important than salary when choosing a job?
As far as I'm concerned, people might put job satisfaction before salary for choosing a job when the amount it pays is already plenty for them to live comfortably. It's because their focus might shift from money to work that is intrinsically fulfilling. However, if people still face financial hardships, monetary considerations would still override others, like many of my friends choosing well-paid positions over those they love but don't provide a livable income.
What skills do you think are needed to get a good, decent, great job these days?
To be offered a good job these days, people need both digital literacy and critical or analytical thinking. The former enables them to track down the opportunity on the internet, which is where it's often listed at present. The latter, meanwhile, will be handy in building up a well-rounded understanding of the ideal candidate profile of the hiring company so that people can highlight how they are a perfect fit.
How has technology changed the way we work?
I believe technology has completely changed the face of our jobs. These days, tens of thousands of employees have pivoted to either remote or hybrid office models, coming in for only 2 to 3 days per week while spending the same amount of time working from home. In their minds, this new system makes for better work-life balance, so they're insistent on it to the degree that if the company doesn't accommodate the need, they'll just leave in droves. If you're still watching, well done, because you've made it through all the questions. Do you like any of my responses? Please share your thoughts by leaving a comment down below at the chat section. Once again, I'm Hoàng Anh from the IELTS workshop. Until next time, and happy studying!